Welcome to online learning program of MSBT Learning at Your Doorstep. I am Sangeeta Boyer, lecturer at PS Polytechnic, Chembur, Mumbai. Today we are going to discuss assembly language programming to perform control and looping operations from Unit 2, Instruction Set and Programming. So, today's learning outcome is to write assembly language program to perform control and looping operations. Under this, we will see program to find smallest number, largest number, arranging numbers in ascending order, and arranging numbers in descending order. Program to transfer a block of 10 data bytes stored from memory location 30H to memory location starting from 50H. ORG0000H to initialize starting memory address. For 10 bytes of data transfer, we have to initialize source pointer and destination pointer. Source memory pointer can be initialized by using instruction move R0, #30H and destination memory pointer can be initialized by using instruction R1, #50H. For 10 data bytes, we have to initialize counter. So counter is initialized by using instruction move R7, #0H. Then we will get first number into accumulator by using instruction move A, @R0, and then we will move this number to destination memory address by using instruction move @R1, A. Then after this we will increment the source pointer and increment the destination pointer. After incrementing source and destination pointer, we decrement the counter by 1 by using instruction DJNZ. After decrement, we will check for the 0 value. If counter is 0, then we will get out of the loop. And if counter is not equals to 0, then it will jump to up level for further transfer of data. Next program is to find value equals to 65 in the given data. If 65H will appear, then store it in register R4, and if the value does not exist, then make R4 is equals to 0. Given data is memory location 40H contains 76, 41 contains 79, 42 contains RG, 43 contains 65, and 44 memory location contains 62. ORG0000 initialize starting memory address. First, we will initialize counter for RAM locations by using instruction move R2, #05H. Then we will move value 00H into register R4 by using instruction move R4, #00H. Then we will initialize pointer for memory locations by using instruction move R1, #40H. Then we will compare number 65 with the contents of memory location pointed by R1, and if content is not equal to 0, then go to the label next. And if number is equals to 65, then move number 65 into the register R4 by using instruction move R4, #65. Then we will increment the pointer by using instruction INC R1. If then we will decrement the counter by using instruction DJNZ R2. If counter is not equals to 0, then it will jump to the label back, and if the counter is equals to 0, then it will get out of the loop. Program for finding the smallest number in a given set of 5 numbers. ORG0000H to initialize starting memory address. Move R0, #40H. It will initialize the memory pointer. Move R7, #5H. It will initialize counter for 5 numbers. For finding the smallest number, we will load accumulator with highest value and then compare the given data with the contents of accumulator. Move B, @R0. By using this instruction, we will get first number in register B. Then we will compare the content of accumulator with register B. If the content of accumulator is less than register B, the carry flag will set. So we will check for carry flag. If carry flag is set, means the content of accumulator is less than the content of register B. So it will jump to the label small for further comparison. If carry flag is not set, that means the content of accumulator is greater than the content of register B. So we will move smaller number in accumulator by using instruction move A, B. Then increment memory pointer for next comparison and decrement counter and repeat comparison till counter is not equals to 0. This is done by using instruction DJNZ R1, up. If counter is not equals to 0, then it will jump to the label up, and if counter is 0, it will get out of the loop. After this instruction, the result smaller value will be in accumulator. So we will move smaller value in memory address 50H by using instruction move 50H, A. So at last we will get smaller value in memory location 50H. Program for finding the largest number in a given set of 5 numbers. ORG0000H to initialize starting memory address. Move R0, #40H will initialize memory pointer. Move R7, 05H will initialize counter. For finding the largest number, we will first store smallest value in accumulator and then compare the given data with accumulator. Move A, #00H, move B, @R0. We will get first number in register B by using this instruction. Then we will compare the content of accumulator with the register B. If the content of accumulator is less than register B, then carry flag will set. So we will check for carry is not set by using instruction JNC. If carry is not set, then move to label large. Otherwise, move the content of B register to accumulator. Then increment the memory pointer by using instruction INC R0 and decrement the counter R7 by using instruction DJNZ. We will check for the counter value. If the counter is not equals to 0, then it will jump to label up. Otherwise, it will get out of the loop. After this, we will get largest number in accumulator. So, we will store the largest number in memory location 50H by using instruction move 50H, A. Thus, we will get largest number in memory location 50H. Now, before we proceed further, please attempt MCQs from set 1, which is given you as assessment sheet. Program for finding the largest number from the array of 10 numbers stored in external RAM memory starting at 3000H. ORG0000H initialize starting memory address. Initialize memory pointer for external memory by using instruction move X dptr, #3000H. Then initialize byte counter by instruction move R7, #0AH. Load first number in accumulator by using instruction move X A, @dptr. Then store this number in memory location 40H by using instruction move 40H, A. Then increment data pointer and read the next number by using instruction move X A, @dptr. Then compare the content of accumulator with the content of memory location 40H. If the content are not equal, then go to down label. Otherwise, check for the carry flag. If carry is set, then jump to the next label. Else, replace the next number with number using move 40H, A instruction. Then decrement counter and repeat the transfer till count is not equals to 0 by using instruction djnz r1. Then increment counter and store the result in memory location pointed by dptr. Next program is to arrange the given data in ascending order stored in external memory location 3000H. ORG0000 is to initialize starting memory address. Move R0, #05H will initialize pass counter. Move dptr, #3000H will initialize memory pointer for external memory. Move R1, #04 initialize byte counter. Save lower byte of address into register R2 by move R2, DPL instruction. Then get first number in accumulator by instruction move x a, @dptr. Then store this number in register B. Then increment dptr and get next number in accumulator by move x a, @dptr instruction. Then compare the content of accumulator and register B. If the contents are not equal, then jump to the label dn. Otherwise, if equal, then jump to skip label. If the first number is greater than next number, then go to skip. Else, exchange the number with the next number. For exchanging, move the number in memory address pointed by dptr by instruction move x @dptr, a, and then increment dptr and then move the content of B register into accumulator and then move the content of accumulator to memory address pointed by dptr. Then decrement the byte counter R1. If it is not 0, then go to the label up. Then decrement pass counter, and if it is not 0, then go to the label up 1. Next program is to arrange the given data in descending order stored in external memory location 3000H. The program for descending order is same as the ascending order. The only change is that in ascending order we have checking for JNC instruction, that is jump if carry is not set. Here we are checking only for jump if carry is set. So JNC instruction will be substituted by JC instruction and remaining program is same. Now please take MCQs from set 2 which are given in your assessment sheet.